Hello everyone, I am Beverly Del Mariano Tigaldao from the Group 3. Today, we will present the animal production of dogs.
Thinking about starting your own duck breeding setup?
Whether you're doing it for fresh eggs, meat, or just as fun as hobby, breeding ducks is a rewarding and relatively simple process as long as you know the basics.
Today, we'll walk through the steps to get started from choosing the right ducks to caring for ducklings. Let's dive in.
Step 1. Choose your duck breeds and pairing. First things first, pick the right breeds for your goal. If you want eggs, go for khaki Campbells or Indian runners. For meat, Pekins or Muscovies are great. If you want both, Rowans work well. Pro tip: keep a ratio of 1 drake male, 2 to 4 6 ducks female. Too many drakes can stress the females, so stick to this balance. Make sure your ducks are healthy, at least 6 months old, or mature enough to breed, and from reputable sources to avoid genetics issues. Step 2. Set up a suitable breeding environment. Dogs need a safe, comfortable space to breed. Here's what you'll need: a clean, dry coop with nesting boxes filled with straw or wood shaving. A fenced outdoor area to protect them from predators like dogs. Step 3. Incubate the eggs. You have two options: let the duck sit on the eggs or natural incubation, or use an incubator artificial. Last and final step: care for the ducklings. Once hatched, ducklings need special care. Keep the brooder clean and dry to prevent diseases. After 4 to 6 weeks, they can go outside with adult ducks.
Thinking about your
About the start,
Whether you're doing it
isa na